Welcome, everybody. We're back. Good morning or good evening. No, actually, good morning. It should be morning for most of you. For some of you, it's afternoon, like myself. Kirktown, good morning. Good morning, Vietnam. All right, let's see. I'm on the gold chart. I don't know why. So, it was an interesting morning. Finally, I mean, during the London session, after the London session, NQ's just went sideways, but eventually it took out this level that we were talking about. So this is good. So that's okay. That's all right. That's all right. And what else do we have? Nothing. Okay. Bob, good morning. For afternoon. Yes, sorry. Hello there. Good to see you, Bob. How you doing? Okay, let's look at the levels first. I mean, yesterday was... Well, we kind of have the range here. We have the PM session low. Is this the PM session low? Technically, yeah. I'm gonna give that a sell side liquidity right there at 324. All good. All right, I'm happy. All right, printing numbers. As long as it's a positive number, that's all that matters. Let me give some light here. All right, it's better now. All right, all right. So far, we have the low of 379. So, green, hey there. What up? What up? So 379 is the daily low, and we have a sell side liquidity at 24. But what we also have is just a second. We have some equal highs up here, and we have a bearish order block around midnight area right here. Now this is more interesting to me right here. That is something I really like. I like that level. Right before midnight. I'm gonna have to delete some lines because too much stuff is around here now. I'm gonna leave that as an order block. I don't know what this 560 is, but I'm gonna delete that. 505 has been taken. Asia low, that can stay. And I don't know what this is. But oh yeah, that's the order block. So these are the levels that we are looking at right now at the open. After we trading after? Yes, exactly. Yeah, I was holding the gold short, and it was a nice TP. Yeah. I was holding it. It was only on an eval, but I was holding. Actually, I left the computer, but I saw that it hit the TP. It was a nice short. I liked it. Oh yeah, we have PMI, which is gonna be 10 a.m. And we have some monetary. Okay, that's not. We have news at 9:45. So I guess the market open. Well, I think it could be just sideways movement, but we'll see. We'll see about that. It could be just sideways movement. Anyway, we have a little bit more than a minute. So get ready. A little bit more than a minute here. Should be okay. Should be okay. 31 seconds. Let's see. I don't really want to step into any position here. And actually what I'm looking to do here, I need $849 to pass a Take Profit Twitter account, which I'm not aiming to do that in one trade, but anyway, let's see what it's gonna do. Here is the open right now. Let's see. Okay, Quantower is going crazy. Yeah, price is so much standing still. I'd say 326, pretty close. Is that 26? 24, 25 to be exact. Is that on the mini? Yeah, that's on the mini. So I'm gonna change that to 24, 25. That's closer. If it wants to go lower. All right. Nothing special. $378. Well, yeah, it could. It could take out the low from earlier. For now, I don't really see anything. I actually, it kind of looks okay. To go lower, but I really don't know. I guess the best thing is to wait now. You know, just be patient. Wait patiently. If I enter a trade, I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm not even scalping yet. The issue here is that we have a bit of a delay on the charts. No, not really. Okay, this is the 1 minute. I could jump in for a scalp here. All right, jumping in for a scalp. This is only on evaluation account, by the way, just saying. No stop loss. No stop loss, as usual. Oh, what a rejection. Wow. That is interesting. I'm looking for this to actually go lower. So we'll see, I guess. If it can break the 80 down there, that would be awesome. That would be great. If not, then we're just gonna close everything we can. All right. Still no stop loss on it yet. What was the low here? 82.50. Didn't take it out yet. It was close, but wasn't close enough. Man, what a rejection. Wasn't able to go down there. I'm looking to close this trade. I feel like it's having a hard time. Not really the type of trade I want to be in. My finger is on the close button here. Come on. Should we close it now? I think I want to close it. I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to hold this. It doesn't look so good. Not yet. I'm closing it. Closed it. I just had to. Look at that. Now it's going lower. Come on, man. I'm gonna go crazy on this. Well, anyway, it's too late. And now it goes down. Jesus. Typical trading. That's why I don't like trading on the open. It's just so weird. Hey, Alicia, what's happening? Oh my god, look at this. I don't even want to look at it. 324 is next. Before the news. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. You called it. 353, 24. Yeah, I think it will go down, or it could, but I'm not trusting that. What's that level? That's yesterday's PM session low. Has to be orders down there. What do you guys think? Three 20, 28, 24. I don't even know. Anyway, I tried to short again. Terrible thing. It's just terrible. Okay, it took it. Alright. So this short was okay. This short was actually okay. Nice. $20K? It could. But first I think market wants to wait for the news. But 20K is absolutely possible. I mean, we're so close. We're gonna put a line here. What? Oh, right here. Okay. So that's just so close. Look at this. Absolutely no stopping. We have the news in about 7 minutes. I don't think I want to be a part of it. At least not for now. Careful with the long positions, though. We have a nice 5-minute order block up there. That could be a good target with some relative equal highs. I'd like to see it go, but without a structure or anything, we're just gonna wait. Pro, medium news, yes, Kirktown, you can, and actually there's a calendar on Take Profit Trader. Let me just find it real quick. In the upper right corner, when you go to calendar, so here you go. On Take Profit Trader website, when you click on the upper right corner on your profile, it says calendar. You go to calendar, and here's the news, the non-farm payroll. So far it seems like that they haven't marked any other news event here. I'm sure that they will mark something because it used to change. They used to update it time to time, but so far there is nothing here marked for today. So technically speaking, you know, you can trade the 10 p.m. The 10 a.m. news, but I wouldn't advise you to do so. But 100% sure that this news can be traded. The only thing that they marked up is the non-farm payroll. So yeah, so you can trade it. It doesn't say anything about on the website, but as I said, just to make sure, just to be safe, do not trade it 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. I know Take Profit Trader says 1 minute. I don't care. I basically never even trade the news. So just to make sure, wait, close everything 2 minutes before and wait 2 minutes after. But should not be an issue. What a reversal here. Look at that. This has technically shifted structure to the upside, by the way. I might even take a position on this. Let me put a trade here. Okay. 7 micros. Can I do that? No, 1 micro. Sorry. 1 micro. I'm going to put a buy limit order. A buy limit order at 405.50. And my take profit would be 534, somewhere up there. I don't think it's gonna get filled, but I have a limit buy order at 405.50. Currently, I have my new Pro account, by the way. So here it is. I activated it. Here's my brand new Pro account, and today I have traded this evaluation account. I'm up 316 and overall 2,338. So I think I'm gonna wait with this one, but I'm gonna trade the Pro account, but not until after 10 a.m. So, and the Pro account is, I mean, there's no trade on that. I'm taking this trade on Bulenox, but after 10 a.m. I'm gonna trade the Take Profit Trader account too. Yeah, sure, I can show you here. So this is the limit order. Should get filled. Interesting, it's not filled yet. It just missed my entry. Look at that. With one tick. Missed the entry by one. Okay, now it's filled. Alright, so now I'm in the position. Stop loss here. And take profit 5. I would say I put my TP around 536. Can I do that? 513.25. That's gonna be good for me. I like it. Okay. I like it. Oh, I know it's a sad story. I know. But hey, we are risk takers. I'm not getting paid for just... I'm not going to say anything. We are taking risks, you know. And this is a small risk for the stream, you know. Oh, by the way, I haven't said it. That this is just evaluation account, sorry. Evaluation account, strictly. Of course you can. You can do whatever you want on TPT evals. You can do anything you want, and not just with Take Profit Trader, with any prop firm. You can do whatever you want. So, by the way, we had the news. Oh no. Good thing it's just an eval. I don't really want to move my stop lower, so it's okay. It's okay. And now everybody's gonna wait for the big news. Short from 384. That's actually a good idea. Let me see. Yeah, we can go all the way. One more area at 235. I can imagine this one going lower. Unfortunately, it doesn't look good in this drawdown. Got your 400. You didn't bullshit. I don't know what you mean there, Kirk. I mean, you can do whatever you want on your Take Profit Trader. I swear. I mean on the evaluation account, even on the funded account at this stage, you can do it. So, 100% sure. I know. Trust me, bro. Uh-oh. This is the end. Almost out from the trade. I don't know how I'm still in. Almost got out. This could be just a continuation to melt down. Unfortunate, man. Well, what can we do, right? There is a fair value gap on the 5-minute down at, what's the low? 31.75. No. It should be there. 31.75. Yeah, that's it. 31.75 to 31.75 actually. I'm going to put a line there. 231.75. And I'm out from this one. Okay. It might want to go down there. I'm not going to enter another trade here. This was an eval only, but it's okay. I mean, yeah, it was. I saw the early trader funding promo. They used to do the 90%. The activation fee, I'm not sure of. I think it's a little bit extra, but I'm gonna check into. I really want to. I really want to go back again with early trader funding. Would be fun. That would be fun. What's this gonna be? I wonder. Nintendo, what's up? Yeah, I think it's 300 or something. Oh yeah, you can take the $80 monthly. I think that's not technically such a bad deal. I mean, in under 60 days, you should be able to achieve a withdrawal, right? So I'm just saying 60 days. Like even if you count with 60 days, like 2 months of charge, $160, you should be able to withdraw at least like $1,000 in 60 days, I think. So that's not such a bad deal with the monthly. And at least you got the funded account. Oh, nice. So 60 days for $80. And let's face it, that's a good deal. Yeah, that's a good deal. All right, 7 minutes until news. Let's wait. Yeah, that's true. That's yeah. Yeah, I'm technically I like the long ideas here. So I'm also going to look into it. Don't. Oh, what was this? 50-point drop. Somebody's leaking information. What's the next level? Down there. Low of the candle. 31.75. Yeah. Could go. Man, it could go lower. There's a 5-minute fair value gap, a small one at 31. A small 5-minute fair value gap. Excuse me. Let's wait for it. But that's like 100 points down. Morning, Anthony. Can MyFundedFutures Eval traders trade high impact news? Yes. You can do whatever you want on the evaluation account, technically. You know what? I think I'm just going to go short here. Why not? Evaluation account for the news. You know, for the news. No stop loss. It's evaluation only, so don't worry. I'm looking for that 5-minute fair value gap down there. Good morning, Bravo. Hello. The Trump. Is this the Trump effect? Could this be? Bob is still holding the short. All right. 384 ticks so far. Jesus, I don't know what I'm aiming for here, by the way. Oh my god, you're sitting in a very nice chunk of profit there. Good job. I'm not putting a stop loss on it yet because it can wick on the upside in a millisecond. But as I said, there is a fair value gap lower on the 5-minute if you go to the left from yesterday AM session. Yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday AM session. So it could reach down for it. If it's not, then not. Bravo is holding a short from London. Come on. Everybody's swing trading here? Come on. Oh, well, right now it's not 446. I know that. Yeah, crazy price movements, but nice job there. ES target 57.59. Oh, wow, you're looking for some lower levels there. Actually, that's a reasonable. That's a reasonable target. Nice. Nice. Look at that. Should have closed. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. And now I have to wait for news. Special strategy: go long on one account, go short on the other. Just joking. I'm short from New Year's Day. Oh man, you're the winner. Here comes the last minute. Oh, Bob is winked. All right. That tells us something. You're the wiener. You're the wiener. Mm. All right, 20 seconds. I have no stop loss on this. No stop loss on this trade. Jesus, holy baby Christ. This is gonna be really something. Get ready. My finger is on the flat button here. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! All right, closing it. Jesus. All right. All right. I'm down 345 bucks on this account on this one trade. Let me show you. Here's the account. It was an evaluation, I told you guys. I am down 345 bucks with one micro. It wicked me totally. But no, don't worry. I'm okay. This is just a Bulenox eval. I'm okay with it. Nintendo is finished. I mean, everybody is waiting like what is gonna happen. The take profit trader account is good. This is good. This is up. Oh, where is it? So this is up. That's all right. And I haven't traded on the pro, so I'm leaving the funded account alone for now. But man, this Bulenox account suffered enough. Now, where is it gonna go? I think it might just want to go higher. Not sure. What? No, you didn't. You're just joking, Kurtown. Yeah, the silver bullet strategy is good. That is actually very good. That works out for a lot of people. I'm thinking, by the way, to enter a long position, but still hesitating a little bit. The problem is the risk. The risk is too much. Evaluation account, trying a long position here. Let's go. 34. I might gonna add one more to the trade. If it gets lower. Trying to get back that that loss. I have no trade on funded account yet. All right. Adding one more to the position. And here I am. Here we go. Looking for the 500 up there on evaluation account. So I'm looking to make back that loss. If not, I'm gonna keep an eye on for this. No, you won't lose anything. We'll short some points of entry. Just be careful. Try 322. Well, it could go. I mean, this was like a bullish breaker, and we have that 5-minute order block up there. That's why I entered to this trade. I mean, maybe not the best trade, obviously. I understand. With 2 micros, but you know, I am still not taking a trade on a funded account here until I don't see a clean direction. The midpoint of this gap I mean, it was actually going down to the mid-level. That's cool. So the entry is not that bad. What would be the risk? Oh, come on, let's go. Yeah, it was a nice bullish, and the best thing in this is the reaction from the mid-level here. A nice reaction. That was a very, very good. And we have some very good levels on the upside. If you go to the 5-minute and look to the left, we have some beautiful bearish order blocks starting at 535. That would be nice to get there, but if it just can't, well, then we're just gonna wait for the next upper. It technically swept liquidity here, so it can just continue lower. We have a flat candle, unfortunately. That's not good for me. So it can still go. But if it goes, it has to break above the 500s. It should, in my opinion. Now I'm regretting not taking this trade on a funded account with just one single micro. I mean, for now, it looks good. Oh, maybe I'm not regretting it, not taking it. What is happening, man? It was looking good. What's the problem? 540, yeah. I need to put a stop loss. Just in case, you know, something happens. I want to see this go above the 500s. Come on. Let's go. I need the 500. Actually, 96.75 would be okay. Damn it, why didn't I take this trade on... Oh, it actually closed down a contract. I'm closing this. Alright, I made it back. I made it back. Look at this. Look at the account. No, not this one. Which one was it? I made it back from negative 350, whatever was it. I made it to positive $24 with this trade. So no problem here. No problem. I can afford to trade with no stop loss. I mean, that's what you can do with the micro. No stress. That's what we love, trading with micros. No stress. Alright, I'm crazy. I don't know why. Should be going higher, right? Almost went for the 500. Almost. Did it go tonight? Actually, it did go for it. Anyway. How far is this gonna go? What is it doing now? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What does it do? Still not convinced. I was thinking to maybe jump in for a scalp, but I don't see anything yet that I like. Let's find the first fair value gap here. Which one was it? This one. Okay, so let's see. Everybody's in love with this concept. Since ICT came out with it, everybody's in love with the first fair value gap concept. That's the new trend. Okay. Technically it went through a few times. $4.20. Yeah, we have the 5-minute fair value gap below here. That's true. Right there. Could go down to reprice below 420. Yes, exactly. Maybe if it takes it, you know, that's true. If it takes it, then maybe we can see a possible shift again as a continuation to the upside. Didn't go for it yet. Oh la lee, oh la la, oh la la la, da 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 da. I'm not really a fan of this price action now. Bounce up to 930 open. Oh yeah, which one was it? Oh yeah, this one. 930 open bounce. Now it could go down to reprice that 418 level. What do you guys think? The problem is I'm a little bit scared to jump in right here just for the repricing of that level. I might jump in for a scalp here on an eval. Why not? All right, jumped in for a scalp. Short from 38.50. to 19. Did it go down there? Okay. It went down there. Up $200. Yeah. Okay, so now it took liquidity. What's it gonna be next? 23.20. Yeah. 320 flat candle. Yeah, me too. Haha, that's a good idea. Actually, let me delete this. I like the flat candles are always so juicy here. I like it. 318.75 on the micro. Which is the 10 a.m. open. Yeah. I like that. That could be a significant area. And as soon as I see a proper displacement, but I need a proper structure as well, this is not considered to me as a structure shift here. I like to see a better shift, a proper structure shift. Still not happening yet. I need this candle to stay higher than the previous low. And then after that, we can talk about some structure shift. Okay, this is good. I like this. This is something good. This is okay. I like this. Now this could be considered a structure shift, but I need this current candle to make a gap, and then I would consider entering a short. That would be nice. So we have 30 seconds for this candle to close lower. Actually, I'm gonna get ready for an aggressive entry here with 1 micro. Yeah, 1 single micro. Can I do that? Of course I can. Oh man, 1 single micro. That's all it takes. I have to wait for the next candle. It's not gonna be good. It's not good. No, it's not good. It's not a proper shift. Man. We'll see this candle, how it's gonna go, but I'm not really a fan of this. Short from 444. All right, I'm gonna wait here. First target 300. Stop at break even. Let's go, Bob. Bernson, Sir Bernson is here. Bro is trading OPM after PMI. What do you mean? All right, I'm putting a limit entry at 4. Okay, I have an entry for a short only with 1 micro. At 406.25. I'm looking for that flat candle down there. Oh yeah, Sir Bernson. I'm sometimes I do some crazy stuff and I can't help myself. I just went short on this. Sometimes I just go total crazy. Total crazy. I know. There was a gap here that I liked. Kind of justified my entry, but might not be the best entry. I know that, but I liked it. So let's see how it goes. Try my best. If I can target that flat candle down there, that would be awesome. Actually, final TP would be the fair value gap lower at I don't even know where. Interesting. We didn't touch your target. Yeah, almost went down there. I mean, which target? Bob's target? Give me that flat candle. Give me that flat candle. Come on, I need that. Bob won. Well, I'm still just waiting. Yeah, this short is absolutely against everything. Let's look for long setup. All right, I agree, Kirktown. Completely agree with you there. I'm looking for that flat candle. We have a delay, but it took it. Let's go. And by the way, this trade, was the first trade on the Take Profit Trader Pro account. The first trade on the new funded account. Look at that. It's a good way to start a new funded account. $170. Don't worry, only $1,830 to go until threshold level. But hey, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. It was a good one. 1 micro. Pure pleasure now. Let's go. Now the thing is that we let me show you that 5-minute fair value gap that I was talking about here. We have it down here. All right. We have it just there. So I was aiming for actually that level, that 5-minute gap. But that flat candle, wow, that was absolutely, that was mental. $200. Oh yeah, by the way, where is that level? 231 is the 5-minute fair value gap, just saying. 231. Let's go back to this other chart. So 231.75. Small green, but green is green, right? All right, let's see some levels here. Let's switch back to trading view. We're back to the first fair value gap. The midpoint of it is rejecting price again. If the current 1 minute candle would close bearish, lowered, or maybe at least, well, if it would trade lower and wick back into the body of the previous candle, I would still consider that a possible signal to go short. Looking at the 5 minute as well. Feels like it wants to drop. Look at this. Wow. What should I do? What should I do? Feels like it wants to drop. Look at that. If you want to be really aggressive, you can go short from here. If you want to be really aggressive. But I don't know. Do we have other news or something? Something else is going on? I don't know. Bulenox. I'm thinking to take a trade. Now, maybe not here. Maybe on an Apex account. Apex account. All right, took a short on an Apex account. Trying to target lower. We have another flat candle, by the way, at 300, 299. Not that significant, but oh, actually, I'm just gonna target the 40s. This is on an evaluation account. I'm just trying something on an eval. This is not funded trade. Where is it? Here it is. I'm just trying out something. If we get below this level, I might gonna close one. Full margin, yeah. Full port short, Vivian says. Hello, it was Alexia. I would like price to go to 200. Well, I really, I don't know. I would be okay with that. Trust me. Short's nice, yeah. I mean, I want to see it break below 300. That would be nice. Range trade, then breakout. Yeah, could be. Could be. I'm taking one off from this just because why not? Yeah, let's see if it breaks. Man. Now this is the kind of trade, by the way, just saying, which I would not take on my funded accounts. This is not something that is an A+ setup for me. I like that it has rejected the first fair value gap. I like that I think the drawn liquidity is lower. And so these are the low probability setups that I usually only take on evaluation accounts. At least I can see how it plays out or not. But these are lower probability setups. I would not take this trade on a funded account. Man, the sun is... Oh, much better. First TP easy. Let's see. But this is definitely a lower probability setup in my terms. Again, I know I'm repeating myself 1,000 times, but I would not take this on a funded account. No way. This is not something I'm liking. And the 15-minute, by the way, looks absolutely bad. I mean, it's like barcoding now on the 15-minute. And now the 15-minute candle is going to close, and after this close we can see a bounce right back up to the 420s, like 100 points up, easy, super easy. Like how much? Oh yeah, it can definitely go. We have the new 15-minute candle. Let's see what it does. It can actually bounce real fast to the upside. Be careful here. If you can take partials, I mean, I'm going to take partial on this, and I'm going to move this to break even because this is not a good, if it goes there. Otherwise, yeah. At least I can say I tried. Draw on liquidity 231.75. To be safe, I'm going to say 235. So final TP for me is 240. Actually, I might gonna move it to 241 or 240.50. That is definitely not my A+ setup. Yes, King Judd. This is by far not an A+ setup. It's a low probability setup based on only on the rejection of the first fair value gap and the bearish candle formation here. And then the other thing that I think there's still orders resting below at the 250 levels, or at least somewhere at 235-ish. And look at that. That's what I was afraid of. It's gonna maybe bounce back up there to the top of the 15-minute range. I don't like it. I'm not doing that, Kirk. You know, if you give me $1,000, maybe. Based on ICT concepts, we're in discount. Yeah, we are in the discount also. Yes, based on ICT concepts, sells in this price area are not welcome. So long positions have higher probabilities here. And look at that. That's just what's happening. It just shifted on this candle. It just made a shift. It doesn't look good. Next liquidity level is 396. Let me see the high. Is actually 395.25. 395.25. There you go. Oh man, it's shifting. It's looking for liquidity. The 5-minute liquidity level is right up there. It could reach for it super easy. No, it's not good. It's not good. I'm willing to close this trade. Actually, you know what? Who cares? It's just an evaluation account. What am I afraid of? What am I so scared? It's just an eval. So a shift for me would be an up close candle shifting a swing high. So let me zoom this out. Here's the 1031 candle on the 1 minute, and we have this here in the middle, the 229 candle with the wick. Now we have an up close candle higher than this swing. That's a shift for me. That's a market structure shift. ICT says as well. So not just ICT, but this is officially a shift, and I'm out, I think. So I'm out. Okay. So this is a shift, and now we're going for liquidity at 95. Look at that. Just like that. Oh my. Oh my. What a move here. I wonder if it wants to go higher. up to like, oh yeah, it has to go to the 90s, I guess. But anyway, if it not goes, oh sorry, just a quick phone call. Just a second, just a second. Sorry, just a quickie phone call. Friend of mine. So we reached liquidity at 395. Then why do you disregard the Eval? I'm not really disregarding them. I mean, actually, I should be treating the evaluation accounts the same way. I should treat them equally, because it builds a bad habit if I'm not, you know, if I'm not treating the same risk management on it. I don't know how you know which one is valid. And well, this is usually it. This is usually considered to be a valid structure shift. So you just have to look for a swing position there, you know, high or low. But you need an up close candle to be valid. I would consider an up or a down close candle to be proper, you know. Yeah, it was ICT. I was on the phone with Michael. Yeah. The ghost in the machine. The ghost in the machine. The ghost in the machine. All right. All right. Yeah, I'm not gonna chase this. I'm not a fan of chasing this here. So I was also thinking of it, like maybe it would be a good idea, but I decided not to. I just don't want to. I don't want to be in this. But, you know, it looks good. It looks like it might want to go maybe. I mean, look at the 5 minute. We have some good targets up there, but it has to go through on these levels. I mean, it might will. The 15 minute. Look at the 15 minute. Oh, wow. Can you believe this? What is this here? What the hell is... Oh my god, look at the 15-minute chart. Absolutely crazy. Awesome session, right? On the 15-minute. Let's look at the 5. Not too much better. Okay. We have a pullback into this gap. We're trading above the first fair value gap. Could go higher. I'm not jumping in. This is not my type of setup. So, I'm just gonna wait. You enter a short? Alright. Careful here. What's it doing? Well, until we're not getting out from this range, it's just hard to tell. Short on this yellow line. All right. So that was an Asia low. Actually, look at how price was hovering around this Asia low. You know, even before the market opened. Look at how this level was pretty much like quote unquote respected. Didn't really go through on it, and it still got rejected. It might gonna hover around here a little bit, but the 5 minutes so far, there was nothing there. That's your indication. All right. There was no liquidity here. So if it shifts to the downside, that's cool. That's awesome. But in this area, there was no liquidity to turn around. Or it was just a manipulation here. Look at that. Melting a little bit. All right. What's this doing? Okay, picked up liquidity, rejected from the mid level of this first fair value gap. It's heading higher. It's heading higher. Is this gonna hold it? I wonder. Is this gonna hold it? I'm not in a trade. I'm looking to enter here somewhere. In longs, all right. So far, we are still in the middle of this range. I mean, not really the middle, but we have some relative equal highs from earlier. I might even consider to jump into a long. Not sure. I don't know if I should try. A little bit scared. If I would jump into a trade, which I have none, I have no positions. As you can see, I'm flat. I have no positions on. So 0 positions. I would consider to do it only on an evaluation account. I'm a little bit. I'm looking for longs. Yes, but I'm not convinced yet to jump in. So that's the thing. I'm not all that convinced on the longs. I like this one to go to 5, at least above 500. That would be nice. But there was no structure shift, so I don't know. The 50-minute looks terrible. Absolutely terrible. Yeah. Yeah, so that's why it's a little bit confusing. And back to this first gap again. Not really ideal. Man, this sun is like... I have to put this lamp on. Ah, nice. Okay, it's going lower. Now this could be a shift to the downside, which I like. Okay, this is something I could go with. This is something I can go with. Yeah, why not? With the micro, maybe even with 2 micros. All right, I'm waiting for this candle to close, and I'm going to put a sell limit at 79.75, I think. All right, sell limit at 79.75. All right, it got triggered. And I'm targeting actually 280.25. All right. There. Let's go. Let's go. And I might even take a partial if it would get down here. Just to make sure. Let's go. It's a bit of an aggressive entry. If it can move lower, that would be awesome. You love this life. Trading at 2 a.m. That's the best, right? That's the best. Four hours all week, that's not good. You need to sleep more. Oh no. Oh no. What is happening? Man. It was looking so good. Now it's not looking good. Alright. I think I'm saving up some bucks here on this and closing it down. You know that, yeah, I know what the problem was with this trade. It's that it didn't go for any liquidity. That was the issue. No liquidity on this one. The TP is aiming. I don't think so. Now it feels like it just wants to squeeze. Look at that. We have those equal highs at 523 actually. And this one actually took this is an inversion gap. Technically, I don't like it. I think I'm gonna close this. I think I should close this. It was a strong move to the upside. Candles are pretty much moving up there. I think I want to close this. But you know, Mark Douglas says if you made peace with the outcome, you shouldn't do anything. Because if I close it and goes to my TP, it would absolutely mess up my mind. So the best thing I can do is wait for my stop to be hit and look for the next setup. That's the best thing I can do in terms of managing this trade properly. Yeah, it might be too tight, but you know, I think if it goes to my stop, it should be taking out the highs at 440. Look at that. Yeah, it should be taking out those highs. And I just don't want to be in a trade if it goes higher than this level, because obviously it's taking those out. It's not a good position. By far not a good position. Yeah, going above the 500 here. Yeah, it is what it is. But now it seems like I have to aim for that 535-ish. That's what we were looking at. This has not shifted structure yet. Oh, thank you, Hello Teacher FX. But remove the TP. Yeah. I mean, I'm in a short, but unfortunately, Kirktown, I think it's gonna take my stop here. But it's all right then, because then I have to focus on that 535 level. 530 or 30-ish. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. All right. All right. Going higher. Above the 40s, and yeah, 535. I kind of like it. I just don't have an entry. If I see a displacement, you see, if I would have put it here, it would take it out. The next target would be 41, I think. I might even try to scalp it, you know. Why not? All right, I'm trying to scalp this high. Oh, it's just 1 micro. Never mind. That's not enough. And I'm gonna add one more. Oh, I just added. Okay, never mind. And now here, and we have 5 micros now. Now it's fun. Now it's getting fun. Oh no, it's not getting funnier. Oh no, I have to close it, man. Dude, what is happening? I'm destroying this. Okay, now this is stupid what I'm doing here. All right, killing it. I'm down $618 on this account. $618 down. That's what happens when I try to scalp. It's not good. Okay, now I'm going full tilt. I might try to go for these shorts. Let's add to it. If it wants to drop. Uh-oh. Oh shit. It's not going through with it. Like almost relative equal lows down there, but it's not going with it. It was so close. Come on. Just drop it already. Drop it. Are you kidding me? My finger is on the flat button here. Why is it so hard for a price to do the proper thing here? Come on. All right. There you go. Man, that was exhausting. All right. That was exhausting, actually. NFP week, yeah. TP, yeah. I was down $600 on this, and now I'm up 246. I forgot to mention that this is a evaluation account. This was the one. I'm not taking a trade on the funded accounts here. So I'm up 246 on this eval, 291 on this other Apex eval. This is waiting for payout. This is also up this previous Bulenox account. And so basically green everywhere, but I'm still waiting to take a trade on a funded account. Now in this, I mean, I took a trade on a funded account, but this area here is just not something I want to take. Breathe. Yes. Just breathe. But look at the 5-minute chart, really. I mean, I'm going to show you something here on this 5-minute chart. This is what's happening. Maybe we're break to the downside now, and we have that fair value gap down there. But I just don't like this. And now we can still just do this, like go back up there, and this is how it's gonna go until lunch hour. That's saying, you know, this scenario can play out until lunch hour. Why is this? Okay, it's in the way. Anyway, this could happen. We're stuck here, and we just passed 11 a.m. So, what the heck? A trend line? General chat? What do you mean? Let me check Discord. Hold on, I have to log in real quick. Oh yeah, I see that. I see your trend line. Okay. Mm-hmm. Do you think this was the break here? Nice short, by the way, from that area. Oops. This is why we're gonna go lower. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Actually, you might be right. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, seems like it wants to go lower. And we still have time until launch hour, but I'm not entering to this. So I might be looking for another scalp opportunity, but I'm going to tone it down to just 1 or 2 micros, even on the evals. But yeah, could be. This was actually a nice indication here. All right, I entered the short. Taking a partial here. This is a scalp trade, most likely. I'm gonna take a put the final TP 75. Actually, let's go lower. Okay, we took that. 31. Actually, back to the 41s. And 25.50. All right. Here we go. Maybe I should trail this. What was that? 30, 31. I'm gonna go with 35 with the final TP. And let's just try to, no, 41. Sorry. Let's stay at 41 for the final TP. Oh, in day trade. Oh, I see. Let's see. This idea came from Sir Bernson. You call, yeah, exactly, Bob. You called the 200. Exactly. If we're not reaching 200, Bob is paying a new evaluation account for everybody. So, super simple. Thank you, Bob. Oh, let me check. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, Sir Bernson is swimming in profits. I see that you are swimming in like, how much? 2,400? That is nice. Oh my God. and of course, Kirktown too. I don't know what's going on. There's a 5-minute gap down there at 31. It's repricing this gap. If it bounces back up there, well, it's gonna hit my stop, and that's it. Oh no. Why is it doing this? Tell me. Well, not my favorite price action for sure, but hey, can't complain. I was lucky on this one anyway. Oh, I know what you don't. We have our personal oracle here. Exactly. So tell us. We need price levels. We need targets. We need the plan. What's happening now? What is gonna happen? No troll. I need some good ideas. Gonna sleep. All right, Sir Besson. That was a good call. Thank you, and congratulations on the profits there. What a day. Good night. Now back to regular programming. Oh man, what a day. Yesterday's low. All right. That is at 0.75. Okay. I like the idea. Let's go. That is something I like. Future Bruce shoulder block go down. Okay, let's see. I want to see this go. 200 points away. Mm-hmm. Is this gonna happen? Your finger is not allowing it. Let's keep in mind we have. Oh yeah, exactly. It's NFP week, so don't forget about it, everyone. Could be a crazy week. Oh really? Okay, 19,850. Okay. Made 6K, took all night. Let's go to the gym. Jonathan, super happy. Let me give you an applause. Congratulations for passing the 100K. That's how you do it. Go to the gym now. You have my approval. All right. But don't do leg day. that sucks. You know, at least don't do a leg day. Let's go. He was, I mean, I remember he was grinding on it since London session and earlier. Good job. Exactly. It's super simple. No, really. Good luck with the new account and you know, step by step. That's the goal. That's the goal. That's the key. What is going on? Come on. Go down to that 5-minute gap. It should go. Sauna and hot tub. All right, let's go. Let's go. I approve that too. That's even better. Come on, 41. Come on, let's go. Oh, we need to go down for that. Why is it always doing this? Anyway. Accumulation for the drop. But it should be dropping now. Well, there's a 5-minute gap. There's a 5-minute gap here at 232, which would be the quote-unquote low-hanging fruit for me, and that's it. And this was actually started as a scalp position up there, so it's really not lining up with my original trading plan. So if it goes down, I just want to get out before, way before, because that starts at 31 or 2. I'm just getting out right above the 40s if it gets there with the spike. So that's it. Nothing more. Nothing more. Oh yeah. Oh, I know what you don't is short with 1 mini from 1005. Oh, that's way higher. Of course. Of course from here. 1005. Oh, nice. Oh my god. You're swimming in profits there. Oh, yes, sorry. I wasn't reading the sentence. Oh, on ES. Okay. Oh. The ES is holding us. All right. This is how you get the best entries. I see. Yeah, we have quite a few people here using the SMT. It never worked out for me. I tried, but I just don't feel it. I mean, it's actually a good thing, I guess. But man, this is exhausting. This is just exhausting. I wouldn't even mind if it takes out my stop and, you know. Oh no. Well, this is it. It was a good run. It was good while it lasted, but Again, it was very close to my stop. It was very close. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, come on. Just get down to 40. Below 40, actually. It got liquidity. This was the liquidity, this small wick. Let's see. If not short, can short now with stop at the high of this 5-minute candle. We should dump here. All right. Let's see. Does look interesting on the higher time frame. You're done trading NQ? Oh, were you long, King Judd? Or were you long? I mean, I know it's this could be a tricky one sometimes, but it's all just risk management. Gym closed due to oh, no sauna. Oh, snowstorm. Wow. But it's such a good thing when you're sitting in the sauna and you know there's a snowstorm outside, right? I think that's actually awesome. It has to dump now, or they save it for later. Cannot get back about 309. All right. All right, I'm with you on that. Let's see. Got a higher hit rate on CL, but NQ offer. Yeah, exactly. So that's why everybody loves NQ so much. If NQ goes, then it can really give you a nice profit. Oh, from 2909. Let me look a quick look on. Oh, this is really going up now. Wow. Gold is. Oh man, look at this. It's going up there again. The problem is now it's gonna break these highs. Oh, it was looking so good. Oh yeah, it's gonna go higher. I'm not gonna move my stop. I just want to get on with this trade. Yeah, very, very, very crazy price action. Look at that. Look at this now. Come on, man. This is unreal. What was this, NQ? Come on. This is absolutely unreal. Unreal. 15-minute CB. Yeah, look at this, man. I mean, yeah, it could go. Yeah, 27, then drop. Who knows? Feels like, yeah, as you said, it could be just accumulating at that last 5-minute candle high. Last 5-minute candle high. Oh 09. 09.25. Yeah. You know what? I agree. I agree. Because if it gets up here, obviously that saves some dollars here. It's just gonna shoot higher. So why give it back, right? Oh, I see. Relative equal highs up there. That's the problem. It could take it out before it's dumping, so I'm not even in this for the profit. I'm in this for the fun. I'm in this trade particularly. Important reaction is happening. If I would close it now, it would immediately drop down to my TP. So I'm not going to do that. If I have to fail, I want to fail with a stop. So so that's it. I'm not going to give this joy to the market to push me out with the FOMO, you know. No, it's not on a funded account. I traded on the Take Profit Trader Pro funded. This is on Apex evaluation account. These trades, none of these were, as long as we were in this range, none of these were a proper setup for me. The A+ setup to take it on any funded account. And now I have more, so I could have taken it on just one of these, but I had no intention to do so because these are low probability setups as long as we were in this range. So I thought, why not build up some evaluation accounts until if we have the time for it, you know. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. All right. This was actually a nice trade, but this is not my setup. This is not my setup. If I look at the 5-minute, I would have never taken this on a funded account. No. Still, I think 231 is okay to go. So, yeah. We need speed. Do you want more? It should be going down there. All right, King Jed. You're done with NQ. Oh, man. Hey, listen, just, you know, recharge and refocus. Tomorrow is the better day, King Judd. Really. All right? I know, but man, it's, don't worry, it's practicing. It's chart time. It's going to be better, I know. Just don't give up. I'm just in for the adrenaline shot, yeah. 2 point of interest, 200. Oh yeah, we're going down. Shit is, I know. You were up 500, and I know. Oh man. Now up. Hey, you're still green. King Judd, listen. I thought that you were totally down. Listen, King Judd, if you're up 194, awesome, dude. Leave it there. Just walk away. Close the computer. I don't know. You know, I don't know. If you have a hammer in the garage or something, hit the computer super hard, or the screen. That's one option. Or you can pour some water on the screen or the computer. That usually works. Do something. All right. Or if you have some, you can kick in the computer, or with a baseball bat, you know. Whatever. Just walk away. You know. That's it. And you're gonna secure that. That's a hard lockout for the day. I don't know what you're gonna do tomorrow, but for today, you're definitely locked out. The best solution is the gasoline. You know, pour some gasoline on it and light it up. You know, at least you can repaint the room. It's better. But yeah. Or hits your hand, yeah. Red for the account. But still, hey, King Judd, you managed to make some profit. So that's it. You're done for today, and next day is going to be better. And I'm done for today as well. So thank you so much, everybody. Sorry, Kirk. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you, everybody, for watching. In the green. So, yeah, I know, Kirk. I know. Oh, Natasha was here in the background lurking. Hello there. So, I would like to say I enjoyed this session, really. I'll be back tomorrow in London, as usual. And as usual, if you would like to support the stream, please don't forget to use my code and links. The same code, Tom Sabo, goes for all these prop firms. Check out the latest promo on my blog at pip.ninja or tomsabo.biz. It's the same. And with Tradeify, I don't have a code. But if you click on my link and use the current code MAR for March, then you can get the best deal. Thank you so much. So I know you're joking. Yeah, of course, I'm his uncle. All right. God bless you all. I'll be back tomorrow, London. Cheers.